What's up, guys? Today's video I'm going to be making a better right arm because I do not have this right arm. If you like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. If you watch my other video, you would all about body. Hello, other builder. I'm not going to hurt you.
Alright, please.
I'm not. I'm just gonna show my fans what I just made new. So for my mech, I made this claw. Like a... Here, you want this?
God. Nah, I'm okay. I'm just my crazy plane isn't working.
Grandpa!
Okay, guys. Let's build.
I'm taking off this.
Wait, don't kill me! Please! That's mass murder!
Oh! I know what it means.
You regret this, sonny boy! Come back here for your...
Oh, you... Oh, dude.
Nah.
No, where is it? Bro, where is it?
It's a right arm. I want it to be.
Oh, right here. Boom.
Frog!
There. No! Oh my god. My thing is
So guys,
crazy.
I'm going to be making a new left arm.
Green Frog, I have a question. You wanna copy one of my builds?
Okay. Now I'm gonna spawn in a bunch of these.
Alright. That's annoying.
Alright.
Just
Nice.
this come off.
Next.
That should work a bit better.
Oh yeah, pick up your build just in case so it doesn't despawn.
Bro, my thing just isn't working. It won't fly. What? Maybe I could, like... Maybe I could, like... do this? Something like
that. Go. Grab this. Make this joint
Bro,
there.
can you please, like, help me and not do anything to this?
Yeah, I won't do anything to it.
Just my thing won't fly. Oh. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Alright.
I'm holding on to it. Actually.
Big T.
Yo, let's go!
Wait, can I grab that?
I got it.
Just for practice?
Scared.
Here, grab this.
Here. Drop it.
Not grab, don't grab me, grab that. Something.
I can't grab that.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, can you take it off?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh,
My
here,
God.
I could probably take it off.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, I know what I should add. I know
Oh,
one.
sorry.
Oh. Got you. Okay. He's the first person that hasn't tried to kill me.
Oh. Well, I'm filming a video, so... And usually I'm pretty nice.
Where do you go?
What if I put...
Fat boy, Big T.
Get
Big
my
T. Can't catch me.
right arm. I need to add
Yo, Grandpa, I gotta go.
some weapons. I'm always adding...
You're gonna pay for it.
Maybe it's time for a little change. Time for some guns.
Oh my gosh.
Gun time. I never had grenade launchers. So add a grenade launcher.
Oh.
My fellas.
Bro, this is my first time building something.
Oh,
Oh, hell no, you cook.
for your first time building something, that's really good.
City boy, city boy, city boy.
Oh my
City
god.
boy. Stupid nut.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Someone was about to just say a swear. Maybe like this. Alright, wait, here, can I test this out on you?
It's Biggie T.
Here, you can test it out on this.
Okay.
You cook. It's Biggie T.
about to be able to save this.
Oh, sorry.
Yo!
Damn.
You good? Right.
Oh my god!
Okay, this is so far good.
Tell your fingers stop to try to hit me then, and I'll put you back in your body.
Right now I'm filming a video, so you can say hi to my fans.
Hi!
I love when there's people like you. People like you we need more people like you in Animal Company, more peaceful people.
We took your thing!
I just saw you glide right past. That's...
Boy! Boy, that's why you're fat! What? That's why you don't have no bitch.
Okay, this might have to go to... This video might have to go to it's
Crazy word.
older kids only.
Oh! I can't tell if it's better or worse, but whatever.
Oh, ah, oh, ah,
Oh no!
Oh, did it?
Oh no! Help!
You can keep it if you want.
Oh my god. Bro, I want to, but I only have one slot to save stuff.
No, like, you could put it in the stash. The arm.
I don't think it comes out.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah. I finally finished. Yes!
I'm a
Oh,
millionaire. I'm a
and this
millionaire.
build is so cheap.
I'm a millionaire. I'm living like a millionaire.
Bro,
There we go.
Watch out, my boy. Watch out, Nico. Nico the Great, you're cooked.
Thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. Wait. I have it like that because that's right. I should have this.
That's Mega Knight.
What? I was putting it.
And both of them are chopped.
do you know any way I can make this faster?
Add more fans.
But won't that make it heavier?
Wait, don't even think about it.
Yes, but it also makes it faster at the same time.
Don't even think You don't even think about it. Now why? Kingston. Think about hitting me, bro, you're cooked. That's what you deserve. Then come to spawn stat.
Why?
Do you want to do a movie?
Sure.
Alright, just, hey, join me, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, just join me, bro.
Okay, I'll join you in a little bit quickly. I did this entire arm wrong. I just got finished up a mech.
Can we friend each other?
Yeah, we good.
Because I play a lot now. So you'll usually see me online.
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm a nuke you, bro. Hi. You guys, what's up, dog?
Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Oh, well, I guess that's not gonna be it for today's video because I have to add some fans. And I'm not gonna add any special weapons or anything to this arm. I usually do one special arm, one normal arm. Here's the arm that I just made. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, I'll add you, okay? Oh, that's a game just decided to be
I'll
in.
accept it, soon. Kingston.
I know I'm coming now.
You're taking a very long time, mister.
I'm just finishing up a video that... Hey, why I took so long. Okay, let me just do the intro thing. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. And bye!